big, one is small, but they both heed the battle call. Dragons are mighty, they move by the flame, soaring high through the skies and are feared by their name. Winds tear through the clouds as they charge into the fray, getting
do this!
flutters gently, the air flies high. In the sky they brawl, one is big, one is small, but they both keep the battle. Dragons are mighty, they move by. One flutters gently, the other flies high. In the sky they brawl, one is big, one is small. Both will heed the battle call.
Let's go! Let's go! I say let's do this!
They move by the
do this! Así me gusta! One flutters gently, the other flies high. In the sky they fly, one is big, one is small. Dragons are Let's go! the battle call. Dragons
You
are
clearly forgot to read subsection 37 of Rule 749. Loser.
soaring high through the skies and are feared by their name. Winds tear through the clouds as they charge into the fray. Chased by a dragon will ruin your day. Fairies drift softly with sparkle and style. Tiny but fearless.
Swampy delights are gonna give you the frights.
Hey, kitty poo, other way.
Another dream crushed.
Using chaos and cunning, they'll mess up your game. Dragons and fairies, they fly in the sky. Flutters gently, the other flies high in the sky. They brawl. One is big, one is small, but they both will heed the call. Dragons are mighty, they rule by the flame, soaring high through the skies and are feared by their name. Winds tear through the clouds as they charge into the fray. Getting chased by the fairies drift softly with sparkle and style. Tiny but fearless, for their hip-hop, shujigo, and sail ocean. Using chaos and cunning, they'll mess up your game. Dragons and fairies, they fly in the sky.
I am guided by the spirits.
The other flies high in the sky. They brawl. One is big, one is small, but they both will heed the battle call. Dragons are mighty, they rule by the flame. Fly through the skies and are feared by their flutters gently, the other flies high. In the sky they blow, but they both will heed the battle call. One flutters gently, the other flies high. They blow, one is big, one is small, but they both will heed the battle call.